Alright, so it's been another long day and just relaxing all day. Yeah, it's been very uneventful and stuff, so don't really have anything to talk about. It's been raining all day and, you know, haven't been doing much. So that's it. Wow. That echoes pretty good. So that's the story. Yeah, it's been raining all day and not many people are out. Well, it's in the afternoon, so school is getting out, but people are running home. It's not cold out at all. It's periodically rainy. So